Hi friends, it's Claire from ScrappyNerdUK, and I thought I would film a quick video and show you what I bought from the Ali Edwards sale recently. So first of all, I picked up my December Daily album ready for this year. So I think this is last year's design. I'm a little bit disappointed because there are some dents in it already, which I haven't done. It's just how it arrived. But the album you get, it's the wider bind one, so you can get a lot more in it. And you get the page protectors, you get 31 page protectors, different page protectors already inside. So I've picked up my album ready for December Daily this year. So December Daily 2019 is here, and I've still not finished it quite, but it's looking very, very chunky and lots of pom-pom trim and ribbon and all sorts. So I'm excited to bring you a flip through when this has been completely finished. It's about 2/3 of the way through at the moment, so I'm currently working my way through that to get that all finished off. But anyway, what else did I order? I ordered these tags. Now these are like gift tags, and I didn't actually realise until they turned up that there are 4 different designs on them as well. And I thought these would be really nice to add into my album. So yes, we've got the to and the from, but I think I could easily cover that with a photo and an embellishment. And then there's one that says good cheer. And again, the to and the from could be covered, joy and merry. And I just love it because it's got a little, rather than a circle hole, it's got a little star cut out instead. So I picked up these tags. Then I also grabbed these tags as well. And these are, I think these are 3-inch circles. I think these are 3 or 2.5-inch circles these are. And again, these are meant to be for gifts, but I thought these would make great embellishments instead. So again, we've got the to and the from, and I'm thinking maybe I could have a little, if I cut a photo to that size and have the word on the top and then the photo on the bottom, and create a layout with these. So there's ones that say believe, merry, peace and joy. So there's 8 tags in that one. Then I also grabbed the 3x8 page protector pack. So there's 15 in here, and there's 5 of each design. So you get 5 of the full 3x8, you get 5 of the 2 3x4s, and then you get 5 of the, it might be 3x6 and a 2x3 maybe. So yeah, I got those because I like using some of the smaller or different size page protectors in my album as well. I also grabbed these stickers. So this is all last year's stock, I believe. These stickers here, they're just very usable for my December Daily. Then I grabbed, I think this was the Puffy, well, one of the Puffy sticker bundles, and I wanted it because of these stars. So I grabbed these ones. These all came in one set, and then we had these sentiment Puffy stickers, and then these alphas, which I thought were black, but they are a very dark green, which I might or might not use. And then this was my the thing that I wanted most, apart from the album, the thing that I wanted most in my order was this stamp set. And this was, I think this was $20 for all 3 stamp sets, which is an absolute steal. So I got this one here, and I hope there's not too much glare on it, with some really nice sentiments and some wreath pieces as well. And then I also got this one here, which again has got quite a few sentiments on. December moments I want to remember. Bring on the magic, twinkle, peace and wonder. December story, December memories, joy, celebrate, details of the day, holiday, the best parts. And then the last one was this one, which has got a whole load of little words that you can, honestly, I'll probably use this the most out of all of them. So we have the reason why, a season of intention, slow down, traditions, looking for joy, connecting with others, moment of magic, enjoy the season, today equals busy, yep. Encourage the joy, savor the moments, create joy, gather together, giving, experience the magic, blah, 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 blah. Around the house, around the tree, just the 2 of us. Best and worst, my favourite, not my favourite. And I love that there's positive and not, I don't mean negative, but there's stamps in here that you can use where you're not having the best day. So that's really handy. And then you get 2 little boxes that all of these little words will fit inside these boxes. If you want to stamp it as a label, you can do as well. So those are the bits that I've picked up from the Ali Edwards December Daily sale that she had a couple of weeks ago. And then I'm just waiting for the pre-order for this year's stuff to come out to decide what I want to buy from this year's stuff. So thanks very much for joining me. If you've enjoyed the video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, I'd love you to subscribe, and I'll see you next time for some more scrappy fun. Bye.